This movie is sold out. Excuse me, 2 tickets for the 7 o'clock movie, please.
I'm sorry. That show is sold out.
Really? All the tickets are gone?
Yes, it sold out about 10 minutes ago.
Oh no, we really wanted to see this one.
I understand. It's a very popular movie this week.
Is there another showtime today?
Yes, there's a show at 9:30 tonight.
9:30 is quite late for us.
There's also a show tomorrow at 2 in the afternoon.
Let me think for a second. What do you think, Jack? 9:30 or tomorrow?
9:30 finishes really late. We have work tomorrow.
That's true. I don't want to be tired at work.
Maybe we should watch a different movie tonight instead.
That's a good idea. What other movies are showing right now?
Let me check the board. There are 3 other movies tonight.
What are they about?
One is an action movie, one is a comedy, and one is a cartoon.
I'm not really in the mood for an action movie.
What about the comedy? It starts at 7:15.
That sounds better. What's it called?
It's called Wrong Number. I heard it's really funny.
Okay, let's try that one. How much are the tickets?
Regular tickets are $12 each.
Is there a discount for students?
Yes, student tickets are $9 with a student card.
I have my student card with me.
Great, then I can give you the student price.
Thank you. And what about seats? Can we choose our seats?
Yes, you can choose from the seating chart on the screen.
Can we sit near the middle?
Let me check. The middle rows are almost full right now.
Oh, really? What's available?
There are 2 seats together in row 2 near the front.
Row 2 is very close to the screen.
There are also 2 seats in the back row, row 12.
The back row sounds more comfortable for us.
Okay, I'll book 2 seats in row 12.
Perfect. Are those seats next to each other?
Yes, seats 5 and 6, right next to each other.
That's great. Let's take those seats.
All right, so that's 2 student tickets for Wrong Number at 7:15.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is $18.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept card and cash.
Here's my card.
One moment, please. I'm sorry, the card isn't working.
What? That's strange. Let me try again.
Sure, please try one more time.
It still says declined. That's so frustrating.
Don't worry, do you have another card or maybe cash?
I think I have some cash in my bag. Jack, do you have any cash with you?
Yes, I have $20. I can pay for both tickets.
Are you sure? I can pay you back later.
It's fine, don't worry about it. Okay, here's $20.
Thank you so much, Jack. That's very kind of you.
No problem at all. Here are your 2 tickets and your change.
Great, thank you. What time should we go inside?
The doors open 15 minutes before the show.
So we have some free time right now.
Yes, about 30 minutes. Do you want to get some snacks?
Yes, I'm a little hungry. Where's the snack counter?
It's right over there, next to the entrance.
Let's go take a look.
What do you usually get at the movies?
I usually get popcorn and a drink.
Sweet popcorn or salty popcorn?
I like sweet popcorn. What about you?
I prefer salty popcorn, actually.
Maybe we can get one of each and share.
That's a good idea. Let's ask if they have a combo.
Excuse me, do you have a combo with 2 drinks and 1 popcorn?
Yes, we have a combo for $15.
What size is the popcorn in the combo?
It's a large popcorn with 2 medium drinks.
Can we get half sweet and half salty in the same box?
Yes, we can do that for you.
Perfect. We'll take the combo, please.
What drinks would you like?
I'll have a cola, please.
I'll have a lemonade, please.
How much is the total?
That's $15 for the combo.
I'll pay for the snacks this time.
Okay, thank you.
Here you go, $15.
Thank you. Here's your popcorn and your drinks. Enjoy the movie.
Thanks. Jack, look, there's a clock over there. What time is it?
It's almost 7 o'clock now.
The doors should be open soon then.
Yes, let's walk toward the theater entrance.
Which theater number is it?
It's theater number 4, just down this hallway.
I see a small line forming already.
Let's join the line. I think they're checking tickets now.
Do we need to show our tickets on our phone or on paper?
We have paper tickets, so we just show these.
Okay, good. I have them right here.
The line is moving quickly.
Excuse me, is this the line for wrong number?
Yes, this is the correct line for that movie.
Great, we're in the right place then.
Yes, let's have our tickets ready.
Here you go, 2 tickets for row 12.
Thank you. Enjoy the show. Theater 4 is on your right.
Thank you. Jack, let's find our seats.
Sure, seats 5 and 6, row 12.
I see the row numbers on the wall.
There's row 12, right at the top.
Perfect. Here are our seats.
This is actually a nice spot. We can see the whole screen.
You're right. I was worried it would be too far.
It's actually really comfortable back here.
I'm glad we changed our plan tonight.
Me too. This turned out well in the end.
Thank you again for helping me with the tickets.
Of course. That's what friends are for.
The lights are getting darker now.
Yes, the movie is starting soon.
I'm actually excited for this one now.
Me too. I heard the ending is really funny.
Let's not talk about the ending. No spoilers.
Sorry. My lips are sealed.
Okay, here we go. The movie is starting.
Enjoy the show, Molly.
You too, Jack. Let's watch.